You like sweets? Then we suggest using candy patterns in makeup. Paint lollipops, turn your lips into a cupcake, and apply rainbow to your lashes. Watch fresh ideas of crazy makeup in our new video. Redhead is eating the most delicious donut, and Vicky's mouth is watering. She's on a healthy diet. It's summer, and a donut is not what she needs now. Redhead comes up with an idea. She's prepared a zero-calorie lip balm so that her friend isn't unhappy. It's EOS with a donut inside. Cut out a ring-shaped hole in EOS. This will be a donut. Mix beeswax, castor oil, and brown food coloring. Melt it and pour it into the ring. Fix the shape when it hardens. Make a hole on the donut for glaze using an awl. Melt the same mixture, adding pink food coloring, and pour it into the donut. Use the face paint and a thin brush to draw sprinkles on top. Let it cure in a fridge for half an hour. Vicky is excited. The donut EOS looks delicious, and it will not spoil your waist. Who needs a real donut when you can apply a sweet balm to your lips instead of it? Vicky can keep telling it to herself as much as she wants, but her inner sweet tooth wins after all. Once Redhead looks away, a piece of her real donut flies right into her friend's mouth. Summer day, walks, and carousel. These things give us sweet vibes. Let's make bright summer makeup. Let's do makeup inspired by a sweet candy. Draw a curved line with a white pencil. These are sweet streaks. Draw lines from the center of your lips. Imitate a lollipop pattern. Color the segments with red and white face paint. Mix brown and dark gray eyeshadow. Apply it to the streaks. Use light concealer to imitate glints. The only thing left to do is put a stick to my face. And I am a bright candy. Now you can't tell the difference between me and a lollipop. I can go straight to a candy festival and become the queen of sweet tooths. Let's make our life sweet. We will need cotton candy for that, and cupcake-inspired makeup. Brilliant idea! Cover your entire lips white. Apply pink face paint to the upper lip. This is cupcake cream. Imitate cream streaks. Paint the lower lip brown. This is a sponge base. Add brown sponge on your upper lip between the pink cream streaks. Define your lower lip with the white pencil from the bottom. Put a chain of blue half circles. This is the edge of the paper cup. Add bright pink and a little white on the upper lip. Put white glints on the lower lip, blending them. Decorate the lower lip with rhinestones. Put a red half bead in your Cupid's bow. And add a green cherry leaf. Now my friend and I are real sweet girls. This makeup is a bit bold, but it's certainly eye-catching. It seems we are straight from a candy shop window. Hi, candy and cupcake. Vicky wants to do lip makeup. It's such a pity that her lipstick is so totally boring. My lipstick is a different story because it's a real rainbow. Take an old lipstick out of the tube. Use a 5 milliliter syringe. Cut off the excess. Cover parchment paper with vegetable oil. Put the slanted cut of the syringe onto it. Hot glue. Melt the lipstick in a microwave and pour it into the syringe. We will make the rest of the layers by ourselves. Mix beeswax, macadamia oil, shea butter, and a bit of food coloring. Melt it in a microwave. Make some scratches with a toothpick in the hardened lipstick so that the layers attach better to each other. Pour in the mixture and let it harden. Make rainbow layers by adding different food colorings. Let each layer cool in the fridge. Let the rainbow lipstick sit in the fridge for half an hour. You can take it out of the syringe easily after that. Make a slanted cut and put the lipstick into the tube. A rainbow will always be in my pocket with a lipstick like this. I just take the lipstick and apply some rainbow to my lips. Let's shine with rainbow colors. We are having a party of a secret sweet tooth society. Vicky invites her friend, but there is one condition that has to be met. She has to do appropriate makeup. Redhead is surprised, but why not? It's an excellent opportunity to try out a sweet cake-inspired makeup. Apply lilac eyeshadow. Add some brown. Cover the inner corner with yellow. Add bright green to the center of the lid. And make a blue turquoise ombre on the outer corner. Define the lower lid with the same colors. Apply thin black eyeliner on the top lid. Repeat it on top using red liquid lipstick and a thin brush. Use face paint to make a cake. Paint a slanted rectangle in pale blue. Make pink cream on top. Paint black parallel lines and define the cream outline. Emphasize the cream texture with burgundy paint. Add a cake decoration with royal blue. Define it with white. Scatter a few candies in blue wrappers. Paint a cherry near the cake. Scatter out some confetti on the upper lip using a pinhead. The makeup is done! You're ready to go to a candy-themed party. Your eye makeup looks delicious. Come on, sweet tooths! Redhead applies mascara to her amazing eyelashes, but Vicky has something special. She takes out a small box. What is it? Lip gloss? No, it's compact colored mascara. Put a cardboard barrier in an appropriate plastic container. Mix some beeswax and castor oil. Put in mica powder. Pour the melted mixture into the container. Let it harden. Shift the barrier and make the next layer by adding another mica powder color. Fill the container with the DIY rainbow mascara. Coat the cap with acrylic paint. I wonder how Vicky will use this mascara. It's easy. She puts on all the mascara colors at once, rotating her spoolie brush in it. Then, she applies the rainbow mascara. Her eyelashes immediately start shining with all the rainbow colors. Vicky looks amazing, just like a magical fairy. Ripped off a white zipper by accident? Excellent! We will make it a part of our fantasy makeup. Mark the makeup area with white pencil. Paint a lot of color spots with face paint. This is the base of the candy makeup. 2 colors are not enough. Let's add some more. Color the entire area with colorful candies. The candies go from the face down to the neck, one by one. Outline the candies using black face paint and a thin brush. Paint an S letter on each candy using the white color. Take eyelash glue and a white zipper of the needed length. Attach the zipper across the top edge of the makeup area. It looks as if the candies are coming out of the open zipper. Cover the fabric on the zipper with concealer. Leave the teeth and pull tab white. The candy makeup is complete. Now I can't sit still, just like the candies from the package. My life is full of candies. Redhead's lips have turned dry from the hot sun and wind. They are very chapped. How should I help her? I've got sweet lip scrub for the case like this. Cover a metallic box with light acrylic paint. Squeeze hot glue to shape a heart on the cap. Put on lots of sprinkles. Mix mango butter, sweet almond oil, and beeswax. Pour the melted mixture into the box. Let it thicken and add a layer of sprinkles. Pour some more melted mixture and put on another layer of sprinkles. Let the lip scrub cool in the fridge for 15 minutes. The Sprinkle Lip Scrub. It's amazing! Apply the bright sprinkles to your lips And then, just lick your soft lips. The useful scrub is a real dessert for my lips. Did you like our sweet makeup ideas? Then write in your comments which idea you liked the most.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind, blow your mind.